The Yangtze River is over 6,000 kilometers long, and in places several kilometers wide, the biggest river in China. It presents enormous logistical challenges to the dam engineers. As the Yangtze rises behind the Three Gorges Dam, it will flood over 150,000 acres of land along its banks. So the Chinese have to relocate over 1 million people from the land behind the dam. Thousands of new houses have to be built for the displaced citizens to live in. Then the engineers can begin to dam the river.
We're standing here among some of the rocks and these precast concrete blocks that were used to create the cofferdams to control the river during the construction of the Three Gorges project. Controlling the river to allow the construction of this huge project was clearly a major undertaking. I mean, the Yangtze River is one of the largest rivers in the world, very fast, very deep. So building these cofferdams and to allow a safe construction was a major operation. The Chinese claimed that this was the largest and most difficult diversion ever undertaken for a hydroelectric project, and if you look at the scale of it, they were absolutely right. This was huge.
The engineers begin work on a series of stone cofferdams to block off part of the Yangtze, whilst leaving a channel open for the rest of the river to flow through. They build the first 2 sections of the main dam on the dry riverbed. Then they dump tons of earth into the river, and on top of it build another cofferdam, this time from concrete. With the river held in check behind it, they can finally build the last section of the dam. Then they must remove the cofferdams so that water can flow through the turbines of the main dam.
Having built such substantial cofferdam structures, it's a major challenge how to remove these things. So in the earlier stages, where they were built of very large rocks like this, then that could be handled with big excavator equipment, relatively conventional. But in the final stage, where they had a solid concrete wall to remove, this required some serious innovation.
Unlike the cofferdam in Marais, the Chinese version is too tall to simply leave it in place. So the Chinese engineers build it leaving holes for explosive charges. On the 6th of June 2006, they fill them with 190 tons of dynamite and hold their breath. What has taken months to build takes only seconds to destroy. As the cofferdam crumbles, it unleashes the water stored behind it. It's the final test for the Three Gorges Dam, and it holds.